Hi, I'm Rick Steves. You know, I am so thankful for the work that teachers do in the classroom. I love Europe, I love history, art, and culture, and I've thought of a way where I can share my passion for Europe and its culture with teachers to empower your work in the classroom. It's called Classroom Europe, and I've taken all 150 of our TV shows, and I've distilled out of that over 400 little 3 to 5 minute video clips in a searchable database, a program that's designed to empower you in your teaching. It's called Classroom Europe, and I'd like to take you on a tour of that right now. Go online and type in classroom.ricksteves.com, and here you have it. This is 400 plus different video clips. You can see it in a list, or you can see it in a grid. Now, how to sort through all of these different clips? Well, we've got keywords, we've got themes, we've got historic eras, and of course we can sort by countries. There's 413 different clips. Out of those, 76 are in Italy and 38 are ancient. If I click ancient and if I click Italy, I get 14 video clips that are both Italy and ancient. And I can sort through those, cobble them together in a playlist, and I've got a teaching program themed on ancient Italy. Or we can search by words in the script. Let's say if I type in Monet, the great artist Claude Monet, immediately we have 6 clips out of the 400 that have the word Monet in them. The museum in Amsterdam, Barcelona, and Lisbon, and then we've got the garden, Giverny, the orangerie, and we've got the Orsay Gallery. I think I will add to my playlist the clip on the garden, the clip on the orangerie, and the clip on the Orsay Museum. Now I have a playlist that I'm building. It's 3 videos, 9 minutes and 42 seconds. Let's take a look at our playlist under construction. Here I can organize it the way I like. Let's say I want to put, actually I'll put the garden up first, and then we'll go to the orangerie, and then we'll finish with the Orsay. I have a box for the title, a short description, and notes to the viewers or the students. This is now in my playlists as a playlist under construction. I can come back the next day and log on and go to my playlists, and you'll see all the different playlists that I've used over the last weeks. I've got my Libraries of Europe talk, 5 videos, 20 minutes, Rick's Poland review, Lessons from D-Day, which I share every June, 3 clips, 15 minutes, Baroque Art in Rome, Lunch in Paris. So let's say I'm ready to go back to my Water Lilies playlist. Now I could save it in a public list or in my private lists. I can share this list any way I like by copying the URL. I can send it out in an email, or we can watch it right now. I've filled in the boxes. It's called Water Lilies. The short description. Here is a short playlist on Impressionism, the painter Claude Monet and how he designed his own garden to be inspired by nature. And then I've got some notes for my students. Watch this and then tell me, if you were an artist, how would you find inspiration from nature, and then how would you like to share it in your own artwork? We'll discuss on Friday. Let's watch this right now.
Midway between Rouen and Paris, about an hour's drive away, is Giverny. Claude Monet, the father of the Impressionist movement, spent his last 40 years here, finding inspiration in these gardens. The colors of his cottage garden are like his brushstrokes. They seem untamed and...
You know, that is so beautiful. I wanted to thank teachers for the work that they do, and I was thinking an apple would be nice. But then I thought, no, I've got this opportunity to share with you my love of Europe. This program, this easily searchable database of over 400 clips. It's fast, it's free, there's no ads, and it's fun. I hope it can help you in your teaching. It's Classroom Europe, and you can find it at classroom.ricksteves.com. Thank you so much for your work, and happy travels.
Seem untamed and slapdash, but are part of a carefully composed mosaic.